Hi, this is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the Investitude Volatility Sonar Report. Today being Thursday, that means we have a new VIX weekly class that happens every Thursday, and this one is the May 10th expiration in the VIX weeklies. What's important there is now we have both the first French election, which is April 23rd, that's a Sunday. We have an expiration correlated to that, and then on May 7th is really the main election. That's a Sunday. Now we have May 10th VIX expiration. That means that expiration class is going to be very much traded against what people are expecting in the French elections. You'll see volatility levels move, underlyings move based on polling as it comes out, and it certainly is going to be a pretty interesting class. Usually in that fourth weekly out, we don't see much trading right away. However, of course, this one's going to be a little bit different. Today we saw a seller already of the 15 calls on the May 10th expiration. They sold them at 80 cents, 6,000 times. And it's definitely looking like it's going to be a very busy class because this is sort of the new event. Now, we had a big event around Brexit. We had a big event around the election, obviously. I would actually call this the third event, but it's a two-stage event as far as how VIX trading is going to be kind of dictated going into that event. It's going to be a big item. We had seen increased activity in the regular May expiration, that's May 17th, related to this election, and the May 10th is going to be certainly around that. In addition, I'd note that we had a sell-off yesterday. We saw the VIX spike. We saw quite a bit of VIX trading. We actually had 60,000 of the April 30 calls yesterday trade a total of 3 cents. But what is notable is that today we have rallied, the market has, and accordingly seen the VIX pull all the way back into the low 12. So we remain mired in a low volatility environment despite all the big events coming up at the end of this month and early May. This is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading, and this is the Investitude Volatility Sonar Report.